Capital Markets, Brad Erickson. Brad, good morning to you and happy Friday.
Morning, likewise.
This quarter was supposed to be a clearing out event. And, Microsoft wasn't all that good if you narrow in on the Azure results, but market is taking it in stride. The NASDAQ looks to have another, winning week. How do you take all of this? Could markets be in for a surprise next week, or do you think that the expectations are actually in line?
Yeah, so we actually just had a note out yesterday on this. We did our kind of most recent checks with ad agencies that can be sort of instructive for that forward view. And yeah, I think we came out with a view that, Q4 actually ended up okay, kind of maybe just a touch better than feared. And January, similar trends. I know you're getting mixed data points. I think American Express was out this morning, maybe sounding a little bit of the opposite. Others have sounded okay. We kind of think January is tracking pretty in line, maybe even a little bit better for the advertising guys. And so, yeah, I think we're a bit more on the optimistic side here heading into next week.
Brad, let me float an idea to you. There's advertising, which everyone assumed would be falling off a cliff. And what you're saying is maybe that's not happening. I was talking to a tech CEO earlier this week who said he's actually not cutting his advertising budget. What he is cutting is cloud spending, enterprise software spending, wherever he can to a much greater degree. Do you think it's possible that the market is looking at the wrong thing here and it could surprise on the downside like Azure did? And could that be in store for the likes of Amazon and Google?
Yeah, I do think that's entirely possible. You're right. Ad spend kind of got cut middle of last year. People got really skittish on the macro, as you recall, kind of May, June, July. And so once you cut, right, and that's maybe why we're seeing a little bit better than feared out of that part of it. But you're right. Cloud had held up, on the other hand, quite strong through Q3. Amazon on their last call, they used this word of optimization, right? They're being more proactive, helping clients maybe not quite spend so much on things they don't immediately need related to cloud services. And then Microsoft obviously had a disappointing March quarter guide earlier this week. So part of the reason, a big reason, frankly, we characterize Google and Amazon as maybe better second half ideas was because we do need to right size cloud expectations here on this upcoming earnings reports.